In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress error PHP log issues step by step using the built-in debug system inside WordPress. If you've been seeing PHP warnings, fatal errors, or your website is behaving strangely and you don't know why, this method will help you identify exactly what's causing the problem. Make sure to watch until the end so you can safely enable logging, read the error file, and fix plugin or theme conflicts properly. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is enable error logging in WordPress if it's not already active. By default, WordPress hides PHP errors from the front end, which is good for security, but that also means you can't see what's going wrong behind the scenes. To enable logging, access your website files. You can do this using an FTP client like FileZilla, or by using your hosting provider's file manager inside cPanel or your hosting dashboard. Once you're connected to your site, go to the root directory. In most hosting environments, this folder is called public_html. Inside that folder, look for a file named wp-config.php. This is one of the most important files in your WordPress installation, so before editing anything, make sure you create a backup copy. Simply download it to your computer. Now open the wp-config.php file for editing. Scroll down until you find the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging." Just above that line, we're going to add a few lines of code. First, add define wp-debug true. This enables WordPress debug mode. Next, add define wp-debug-log true. This tells WordPress to save errors into a log file. Then add define wp-debug-display false. This prevents errors from showing on your live website. Finally, add any set display errors 0. This ensures errors are not displayed publicly. After adding these lines, save the file and upload it back to your server if you're using FTP. Now error logging is enabled. Next, we need to access the debug log file. Go back to your website files and open the WP content folder. Inside this folder, you should now see a file called debug.log. If it's not there yet, try refreshing your website to trigger the error again, and WordPress will generate the file automatically. Download the debug.log file to your computer and open it using a plain text editor like Notepad, Sublime Text, or VS Code. Inside this file, you'll see detailed error messages, including the file path, line number, and the type of PHP error. Carefully read the error message. Most of the time, it will point to a specific plugin or theme tile. For example, you might see something like wp-content/plugin/plugin name or wp-content/theme/theme name. This tells you exactly where the issue is coming from. If the error is related to a plugin or theme, the next step is to test for a conflict. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins. Deactivate the plugin mentioned in the error log. After deactivating it, refresh your website and check if the error disappears. If it does, you found the cause. You can then contact the plugin author for support, update the plugin to the latest version, or replace it with an alternative. If the issue is related to your theme, go to Appearance, then Themes, and temporarily activate a default WordPress theme like 2026. Check your website again. If the error is gone, then your previous theme is causing the problem. In some cases, errors can also be caused by outdated PHP versions. If you continue seeing issues, check your hosting control panel and make sure your PHP version is compatible with your version of WordPress and your installed plugins. Once you fix the issue, it's very important to disable debug mode. Go back to your wp-config.php file and either remove the debug lines you added or change true to false. This keeps your site secure and prevents unnecessary log file growth. And that's it. You now know how to fix WordPress error PHP log issues by enabling debug mode, locating the debug.log file, identifying the source of the error, and resolving plugin or theme conflicts properly. If this video helped you fix your WordPress PHP errors, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and website optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.